In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove that bulb right there to get it replaced on this 2011 Honda Pilot. The brake light is out, but the actual tail light is not. So it's got dual functionality. The brake light part of it is out. So let's go ahead and get it replaced. You can use a screwdriver to get these two out right here, right next to the tail light. I'm just going to use an 8mm socket because, you know, I have the tools. Once you got that out, it's pretty easy. All you got to do is remove, you just got to pull back. There's going to be these two spots right here and here. You're just going to pop that out of its place, but I do need two hands. And just a fair warning, it is pretty difficult to get it out, if especially if there's a lot of dust. There's a spot here and here that these guys pop into, but if you have a plastic pry tool, you can get it from right here. Just pop it out. And it's just as simple as turning this guy and swapping it out, and you can see it's burnt right there. Here's the bulbs that you're going to use. The 7443, it's the exact match to these ones. The new one is in. Next thing is to ensure that it works and it's not the cables. This is how you change a light bulb in a 2009 to 2015 Honda Pilot.